Manchester, located in the heart of England, is a vibrant and dynamic city offering a rich mix of history, culture, and modernity. As the largest city in the northwest region of England, it has become a popular destination for travelers from all over the world. Whether you are planning a trip or just curious about this dynamic city, a drone tour of Manchester provides an immersive experience that uniquely showcases its charm. It allows travelers to appreciate its architecture and remarkable scenery from above. Tourism in Manchester is thriving, attracting visitors with a variety of attractions. History buffs can explore attractions such as the historic Manchester Town Hall, or delve into the city's industrial past at the Museum of Science and Industry. For art lovers, there are numerous galleries and museums showcasing contemporary and classic works. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Manchester has excellent transport links. The city is served by an international airport that connects it to major cities in Europe and beyond. In addition, a well-developed public transport system makes it easy and convenient to get around the city. A visit to Manchester promises a rich experience thanks to its fascinating blend of history, culture, and lively atmosphere. From exploring its iconic landmarks to immersing yourself in the vibrant art scene, there is something for everyone in this dynamic city.